Okay, so now starting with chapter 2, that is accounting for partnership, basic concepts. From this question, from this chapter, good number of questions can be asked in the examination, right? So let's start. So which section of the Indian Partnership Act defines partnership? It is section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act. Okay, a partnership has no separate legal entity, because here the part owners and business are treated as same. Okay, then next, uh, this is very simple. In order to form partnership, there should be at least two members. This you know very well. Then next is, it is preferred that the partners have a written agreement. Okay, and the agreement should be to carry on some legal business. Okay, then liability of a partner for his acts is unlimited. Okay, that is one of the drawbacks of the partnership also. Then this I will not tell you. Under fixed method, fluctuating method, you know very well, right? Then profit and loss appropriation account is merely an extension of profit and loss account. This is very important question. Then if I feel there will be no journal entries from this chapter, so that's why I'm not considering them. The next is, when fixed amounts are withdrawn at the end of every month, at the end they have said, then it will be 5.5 months. Okay, then under fluctuating capital method, all the transactions relating to partners are directly recorded in the partners capital accounts. Okay, because under fluctuating capital method we don't open current account. Then next, coming to multiple choice questions, the agreement between the partners should be in oral or written, both. Okay, because there is no compulsion that they should have written agreement. Then so oral or written is the right one. Then a partnership deed contains all of the above, because it contains name, PSR, everything will be there. Then next, if any partner has advanced some money, then certainly it will be 6% per annum. You know very well, this is part of rules in the absence of partnership deed also. Then next is, interest on capital is generally this is not required. Then when fixed amount is withdrawn on the first day of every month, it will be 6.5. Last hai to 5.5, first hai to 6.5. Even it will be useful for 6 marks question also. Then when varying amounts are withdrawn at different intervals, the interest is calculated using product method, because varying amounts are withdrawn. If same amount ये सब रहा तो average method रहता है. Then in order to form partnership, there should be at least, और ये तो बहुत tough question है, 2 persons. Then the business of a partnership concern may be carried on by all partners or any one of them acting for all. Then the liability, वो तो already हमने discuss कर लिया है. The clauses of our partnership deed can be altered with the consent of all the partners. You should remember this. Then coming to the true or false segment, almost they are covered in the above two segments. Above two sections. The agreement between partners must be in writing. This is false, because it can be, they can have oral or written. There is an option. Then next is, a partner is entitled to claim interest at the rate of 10% per annum. False, because he can claim only up to 6%. If there is agreement, he can claim more than that, but they have given at the end that there is no agreement. Then a P&L appropriation account shows how the profits are appropriated among the partners. Yes, it is true. How it shows the same. Then when fixed amount is withdrawn during the middle of every month, कभी भी middle बोल के आया तो याद रखना 6 रहने वाला है. There is the month रहने दो, quarter रहने दो, whatever it may be. Then if there is loss, no interest on capital is to be paid to partners, even if there is a provision in the partnership deed. Okay, ये नहीं आएगा, मत छोड़ दीजिए, not required. Then next is, if there are two methods by which capital accounts of partner can be maintained. Yes, that is fixed and fluctuating. It is true. Then interest on partners capital is debited to partners capital account. No, it is credited to partners capital account. Okay. Then in case of guarantee of profit to a partner, assurance may be given by only one partner. Yes, this is possible, one or more. Next, Very short answers. Who is a partner? One who is a member in the partnership firm is called as the partner, right? Then who carry on a business of partnership is called as partner. Then next is what is the minimum number of partners in a firm? Two. It's very simple. Name any one content. They may ask this. You can write name, address, whatever you like. You can write. Name any one final accounts of partnership: trading and profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account. How do you distribute profit or loss among the partners in the absence of partnership deed? This is very important question. They will be it will be distributed equally. Okay. Then why the profit and loss account is prepared? To show how to show how the profits are being appropriated among the partners. Then when interest, ये छोड़ दीजिए, सब नहीं पूछेंगे. Then state any one special aspect of partnership account. Goodwill है, profit sharing ratio है. These all are the special aspects. Then under fluctuating capital method, how many accounts are maintained for each partner? Only one, that is partners capital account. Then state any one feature of, ये सब छोड़ दो, ये नहीं पूछेंगे. हाँ. Then find out the interest. ये पूछा तो पूछ सकता है. That is 50,000 into 8% into 9/12 कर दो, बस हो जाएगा. Give one example of past adjustment. ये भी नहीं आएगा, मत सोचो. Then what is partnership and defined partnership? दोनों को आप एक ही लिखो. अगर defined पूछेगा तो section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act defines partnership as relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profits of the business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. If he asks for what is partnership, then remove that section and write the remaining part. Then what is partnership deed? It is the constitution of the partnership, or it is the it contains the terms and conditions on which the partnership has been built. Partnership is built. Okay, so it can be or it is written agreement. Okay, written agreement is called as partnership deed, which contains the terms and conditions. That is very important. Then next is, what are methods of maintaining capital accounts? So that is fixed and fluctuating. You can easily write. What is fixed capital method? There may be a question out of these two. So what is fixed capital method? A method under which the capital of the partner remains fixed. Okay, it will not change because there will be a dedicated account to record the adjustments, that is partner's current account. And under fluctuating capital method, the capital changes from year to year because there will be no dedicated account. All the adjustments are made to capital account only. So the same you can write in differences. Then in the absence of partnership deed, specify the rules relating to the following: sharing of profits and loss equally, interest on capital not allowed, interest on drawings not charged, and interest on advances from partners will be allowed at 6% per annum. Then next, name any two methods of calculation of interest on drawings. You can write very easily: direct method, product method, and average method, or you can say shortcut method. Next, please don't write average method and shortcut method because they both are same. Then when the interest on drawings is, how do you close profit and loss appropriation account in partnership? By transferring them to capital accounts. State any two special, वो भी easy है, special goodwill है, sacrifice ratio पहले ही बोल दिया है मैंने. Name any two contents of the partnership deed: name and address of the partner, name and address of the firm, profit sharing ratio. Right. Then coming to the next part, that is preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. It is very easy. Just take example of this problem. See what all is given. First, capital is given, Sachin and Pratham. Capital 1,80,000. This is useful for calculating interest on capital. You can see interest on capital is 5%. So on the debit side, you should take interest on capital, that is 5% of 1,00,000 and 5% of 80,000. That be 5,000 and 4,000. The next is you have given that they share profits and losses in the ratio of 5:2, and they earned a profit of rupees 36,000. So this 36,000 will appear on the credit side as by profit and loss account. And after that, interest on drawings, that is 600 and 1,000, it will appear on the credit side, that is by interest on capital, that is 600 and 1000. Then yearly salary will be shown on the debit side as 2 salary to partners. Under that you need to write Pratham's capital account, that will be 6000. Then after leaving a line, you will be taking the commission, that is 2 commission to partners. In that again you need to write in the Pratham's capital account, Sachin's capital account, that will be 4000. Then take the total, find the difference, and transfer that to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. Very simple. Next is calculation of interest on drawings. See, this kind of problems, when they give that, they indicate that you need to use that indicates that you need to use product method. How we can calculate interest under product method? First we need to make 4 columns, that is date of drawings, amount, outstanding months, and product. For example, when the date of drawings is 1/8/2015, right, then it will be what you need to do is, it will be 8 months. Outstanding months will be 8 months, because from 1/8/2015 to 31/3 will be totally 8 months. So that 8 into 5000 will be 40,000. So that 40,000 will become product. So like this, the total of all these products will be called as total product, and that total product will be multiplied with rate by 100 and into 1/12 to ascertain the interest on drawings. And whereas if there is a average, if there is a question on average method, which is very easy. For example, let us take an example. Calculate interest on drawings of Mr. Kamlakar at 10% per annum if we withdrew 1000 per month by the shortcut method. If she withdrawn at the beginning, how much it will be, and end how much it will be. See, if she is withdrawing 1000 rupees every month, then yearly she has withdrawn 12,000. So first you need to take 12,000 into, then at the beginning of each, then into 10/100 into, as it is beginning of the month, it should be 6.5/12. Just now we discussed in the theory part. So when it is at the end of each month, it will be 5.5/12. So then it becomes 650 and 550. Okay, so this is how you need to solve this chapter, and then in the next video we come up with admission of partners.